Another beautiful development. Let's go in JPD. Guys, another day in the beautiful paradise, Ocean County, Lakewood, New Jersey. Snow, not snow. We don't stop. It's a nice house. Look at this. Look at this beautiful ceiling. Wow. This is a good framer. Plumbing's done. Oh, look at this one. This one's high. Wow. And this one's even higher. Wow. Amazing. Look at this ductwork. Beautiful ductwork done by NJPD. HVAC. Look at this beautiful pipe work. Toilet, sink. Cast iron piping. Look at this bathroom. Sink. Look at this beautiful ductwork. PVC. Hot line insulated with the circulation line going down. Insulated. Cold line all the way on the opposite side. Here's hot line. Here's the circulation line. Proud of our guys doing a good job. Look at this HVAC. Nice, same height. Look at this. The ductwork will fit right here in the bay and then goes around the trunk for all the supplies in return. Goes around, around. And that's it. The furnace right here. And you got this nice big room. This is a playroom?
Yeah.
This is gonna be super nice because you got now 9 feet.
Yeah.
So this is coordination. Builder, HVAC mechanical guys together with the builder. Go over. So you fit all your plumbing pipes over here, the drain, the packs, and see you put the hot lines over there and the cold lines over here. So they don't heat up. So you don't get warm water from cold lines, because if you put them together and insulate everything in sheetrock, it heats up.